Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a very exciting and simple idea from my good friends at Callan Print in Calgary. This was designed by Hartman Design Studio for client Esplanade Arts and Heritage Center. Paper is Astrolite 100-pound text. This is a promotional piece for an art exhibit by Susan Sakamoto. And so all the artwork is hers, really nice. But what I want to draw your attention to is the shape. This has a unique shape. I'll turn it around too, you might be able to see the way that works. It's got this kind of unique shape and texture going on. And this is an accordion fold. I'm actually calling it a Tipsy Accordion because it just seems fitting. This is basically an accordion fold, which is a zigzag back and forth characteristic, but the scores are at a subtle angle, and so what you get is this kind of sense of back and forth, kind of this tipsy, unpredictable placement on the folds. Now, what I want you to see is, as I said, this was an accordion fold, but when I open it up, you'll see it's really just a long rectangle. It's a perfect rectangle with 3 scores, and the 3 scores are each at a 5-degree angle. We measured them. It's just about a 5-degree angle. So all 3 at the same angle, but what you get in varying the widths and the distances between them is this interesting, it's actually got a little bit of a centered stepped accordion feel as well. As you can feel the cover centered here, it's got almost like a stepped sense, so it's got a little bit of that characteristic as well, but you get this tipsy kind of back and forth unpredictability. So you can really play with the angles themselves and also the placement of the scores to change the depth and change that kind of texture that is created. So I love that. So these are very simple. It's basically a rectangle with 3 scores. These were die score hand fold. They did about 500 of these for a special exhibit. Very, very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week, the Tipsy Accordion fold. For those 2 friends and colleagues, keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, stylings, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.